Hmm. Mm-hmm. Do you want a cup of coffee? You do? You're too little for coffee. Yeah? What do you want in your coffee? Huh? Do you want sugar and cream? Or just black coffee?
And peanut butter.
And peanut butter. Oh, we didn't think about that, did you?
That's right, crunchy.
Sunday morning coffee, and then we go to church. What do you think?
Is that right?
Wow. You have a lot to say this morning.